Good morning, students. Now today we are going to start our the first chapter, and this is our second lecture of first chapter that we have started yesterday. Okay, yesterday I just be explaining you the entire thing of the first chapter, means about the syllabus of your science, what are the contents. Okay, so these things I will just explain you clearly. Now yesterday we have started the first chapter, that is your crop production and management. Okay, so now here the introduction portion we have started, okay, and that we have done. And even in that I have just be told you that what the Prime Minister, our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru sir has said, that everything can wait but not agriculture. Okay, and for that the best real life example I have just be told you that in this lockdown process this thing we are facing. Okay, now the third paragraph we are going to starting. Okay, we are starting with the third paragraph, that the term agriculture, what does here the term agriculture means. Okay, the agriculture is derived from the Latin word, okay, from the Latin word that is your ager. Ager is Latin word which is means the field, and cultura means the cultivation. Okay, so here the term agriculture means the field, means the cultivation of the field and the land. Okay, and that's the farmer are doing on the field. They are just cultivating them, they are just be doing the hard work, they are just sowing the seeds, growing the plants, each and everything. So what is the agriculture? This word has been coming from the meaning that the cultivation of a field or land. Okay, in a broader sense, it is the science of growing plants and raising animals useful to humans. Okay, as the means plants are growing, so in the science what the broader described way of using this is, we are just growing the plants. Okay, we are raising the animals, because the plants and animals both are, the humans are dependent on both the things. Okay, they are, even the plants and animals are also interdependent on each other. Okay, agriculture includes the cultivation of a land and breeding and management of the crops and animals. Okay, what the agriculture done here, they are just cultivating the land, they are breeding and managing the crop, and for the plants also, and for the animals also. Okay, horticulture, what is horticulture here? Hortus means garden, culture means cultivation. So it is a branch of agriculture. Horticulture is a branch of agriculture, and it is in the science of growing the vegetables, fruits and ornamental plants. The ornamental plants means the plants, the flowers which are useful for decoration purpose, a decorative purpose. You have seen that in many of the, like in the marriage ceremony, in any kind of the functions which we are holding, and that we are having a decoration, entire decoration from with the help of the flowers and the plants. So that was your horticulture, means we are just having a garden cultivation, that we are just growing the vegetables, fruits and ornamental plants. Okay, the quality in agriculture consists mainly of activities that are essential in improving the environment for the growth of plants and animals, and improving the usefulness of plants and animals. Obvious, what is the quality of agriculture consist here? What they are doing, they are the mainly the activity which is very much essential for to improving the environment. You know it very well, due to that we are growing the plants, growing the trees, our environment, we are just having, our environment will remain in a greenery. Okay, and we are having a healthy what we can say, breathing and all. Okay, so our health will also be in a well settled. Okay, and for the growth of the plants and animals, and improving the usefulness of the plants and animals. Okay, to improve the environment for plants and animals, the soil is prepared for their growth. Okay, we have to prepare the soil so that the plants can easily grow. Okay, and the fertilizers are used. Harmful insects and pests are removed or killed. The feed of the animals and their shelter are taken care of. Yes, due to this plants, the agriculture, many of the things has been happened better. We can just have to improve the soils for there the plants are growing, the fertilizers that we are using, the harmful insects and the pesticides, the pests are just be removed by using the pesticides and all. Okay, we have to be kill them so the these insects will not harm our crops. The feed of the animals, yes, the plants are the feeding of plants feeding our animals. Okay, and they are just even providing the shelter to the animals also, just to taken care of them. Okay, and the usefulness of the plants and animals is improved by growing selected qualities of the plants and animals. Varieties of good seeds are chosen for planting. Hybrid of animals are reared to increase their yield. Okay, we have choose the very good quality of the plants, so that after very good qualities of the seeds for growing the plants, that due to that the best and the what we can say, the better and the best quality of the plants we are getting. Okay, the land where the plants are cultivated is known as field. You know it very well, that known as field. Okay, and the if we visit a field during the different periods in a year, we can find the farmers performing the various activities, like they are preparing the soil, sowing the seeds, watering the field for the irrigation. Once the crops are ready or mature, the farmer harvests them and store and distribute the grains. Means the harvesting and storage they are doing. Okay, first thing what they have to prepare the soil. Okay, they are sowing the seeds on the soil. Okay, and then they are giving the watering, means irrigation process is this, they are giving the watering the field. Okay, and as the crops are ready to mature, ready to just grown up, and they are just be mature, the farmers are just harvest them, and they have just be store and distribute the grains. So what this process, the harvesting and the storage process is this. Okay, now all these activities of the farmers are called the agricultural practice. These all things are the agricultural practice. Okay, now if you have ever seen a tractor in a farmers, okay, if you have ever seen a tractor in a field, you have seen one of the most common machine used by the farmer in their field. Nowadays they are not using the bulls and the oxen for just the sowing of the seed, they are using the tractor and all. Okay, and the farmers use all kinds of machinery to make the job of the growing crops easier. Now many of the new techniques has been arrived, developed, so we can easily prepare or easily do our agriculture. It was very much easier. Nowadays it will be not so much easier, but yes, little bit amount of easy process are going ahead. Okay, now our science is just developing new and new techniques, so they can make the farmers work more easier. Okay, now the tools required is carrying out the activities involved in the cultivation of the plants are known as agriculture implements. Some of these implements are used with the help of some animals like bullocks and camels. Nowadays they are not using the bullocks and the camels. Okay, these days tractors and the harvester are being used by the man in the work. Okay, in the previous times, in the Rigvedic times, we are using that the bullocks, auctions and all for just the growing of the plants and just be sowing the seeds. But nowadays tractor is there, and through that the farmer can easily do their agriculture. Okay, the plants grown in the large quantities in the field are called the crop plants. Okay, the plants which are just be growing in the large quantity, that are your crop plants. Since plants are the major source of food, it becomes necessary to increase the production of the crops to meet the food requirement of our population. Okay, for the population means nowadays we have to grow the plants in a regular process, so that the farmers are just growing the plants in the regular process so they can just be feed the population of the country. Okay, and farmers cultivate various food crops like cereals, vegetables, fruits for their own use and also for the profit also, because many of the people are there in the background portion, they are only having a earning source is there, that agriculture. Okay, the farmers are having the main source of their earning is agriculture only, so through them obvious they have to do the work for their profit also and for their use also. Okay, based on the type of the products obtained, the crop are classified as cereals, pulses, oil crops, fiber crops, and like that so on. Okay, this is about the introduction of this chapter. Now the activities are there. The first activity is that visit an agriculture field and see how the various implements are used. The product which we obtain from the crop is called the produce. You can perform the following two activities to know about the crop plant grown by the farmer in your area. Okay, if it is possible, any of the students are having a field or the agriculture field, they are from their family members are just be growing the seeds and all the plants and all, you can just be visit that area, that field, okay, agriculture field, and you can just have a look at how they are doing their hard work. Okay, if it is possible, I am not be just telling you that this was a hard and fast rule that you have to visit. No, it's completely depends upon your choice. Second activity is that visit some field in nearby village, observe the plants growing in the different fields, collect some plants from the field without destroying the other plants, make a herbarium specimens of the plants collected, take the help of your teacher in the preparation of the herbarium specimens, write about the uses of different plants collected from the fields. Okay, you have to collect the plants, okay, some of the plants. Okay, I'm just be giving you that you have to be collect any 3 plants. Okay, you have to just write about them. Clear? Third one activity is that collect seeds of plants selected by you from the field which you visited. In activity 2, draw the sketches of these seeds, and on a chart paper. For this activity you need to visit the field as a time when the crop is maturing. Now the plant which you are that just be taken from the field, okay, or even that in the, if you are not having agriculture field beta, or you are not living nearby the agriculture field, and in this lockdown process if it is too difficult for you, you can just take like a spinach, palak, okay, like a coriander, dhania leaves, okay, and you know the seeds of them. Okay, so for that you can just draw the diagram, not on the chart paper, even you can do in your science note. Okay, clear? So this is your homework that you have to do, okay, about today's video. And just remember that if you haven't taken your book, you have to visit the school and take your books and notebooks. But remember this thing, you have to do your work in your fair notebook only. Clear? Thank you. That's all for today.